In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can troubleshoot and resolve common Roblox connection issues. First, you need to clear the temporary Roblox files. For that, open the Run dialog box, search for Run in the search bar, open it, then type in %local@data% and hit enter on your keyboard. From this page, you need to find Roblox. Open Roblox, double-click on it to open it, and then select Ctrl+A on your keyboard and delete everything in this folder. Don't worry, these are temporary files. After that, relaunch the Roblox application, restart it, and see if the issue is resolved. Another thing you can do is you can change the DNS server settings. Search for View Network Connections. Double-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whatever you're using. Then after, go to its properties, give administrative privileges. Check the box of Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4 and double-click on it to open its properties. Select use the following DNS server address, and here in the preferred DNS server, enter 88 and 88, and in the alternate DNS server, type in 88 and 44. Then after, click on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. Now open Command Prompt on your computer. Right-click on it to run it as an administrator. Give administrative privileges, and here type in ipconfig//DNS and press enter. Likewise, also type in netsh-winsock reset and press enter. And then after, restart your computer, reboot your PC, and then try launching. If you're still experiencing issues, you can also search for Roblox status. Visit the Roblox status page and ensure that the Roblox servers are not down and they're working correctly. If not, you can also try uninstalling Roblox application and reinstall it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.